In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print only a selected area in Google Sheets. This is a really useful skill to have, especially when you only need a specific part of your spreadsheet. Let's dive right into these simple steps to make the most out of your printing tasks. To begin, you'll want to identify the exact part of your spreadsheet that you need to print. Maybe it's a table, a range of cells with important data, or just a specific section you need to highlight. Once you've decided, go ahead and select the cells that include the data you wish to print. Simply click and drag your cursor over the cells, or if you prefer, hold down the Shift key and use the arrow keys to select the area. This helps Google Sheets know precisely which part you would like to focus on for your printout. With your desired area selected, the next step is to navigate to the File menu at the top left corner of your screen. Click on it and you'll see a range of options. Move down this menu until you find Print. As a handy keyboard shortcut, you can also press Ctrl and P on your keyboard simultaneously. This will quickly open up the Print Settings menu. Once you're in the print settings, you'll see a variety of options on the right-hand side. Look for the drop-down menu that's near the top, labeled Print. By default, this setting might be ready to print the entire sheet, but in this case, we need to adjust it. Click on the drop-down menu and choose Selected Cells. This tells Google Sheets to focus only on the section you've highlighted, streamlining your printout to just the information you need. After choosing Selected Cells, it's time to fine-tune your print settings. Here, you'll find options to adjust the paper size, whether it's standard letter or A4, making sure it fits your needs or the requirements of your task. Then, set the page orientation, choosing between portrait or landscape depending on how you think the data will look best. Portrait can be great for lists, while landscape spreads are ideal for wider tables. Additionally, scaling options can be incredibly handy if you need to fit your selection to one page, or if you're working with larger datasets and want to ensure the text is readable. Don't forget to also consider the margins, allowing enough space for hole punching or notes if the printed version will be used physically in meetings or presentations. After you've set everything just the way you want, take a moment to review the on-screen print preview to ensure everything looks perfect. Now, simply proceed to print, and you're all done. You've successfully printed a selected area of your Google Sheets document, keeping things concise and exactly how you need them. Feel free to utilize this method anytime you need a focused print from your spreadsheets. Enjoy your streamlined and efficient printing process.